Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Test your English skills with this 5-minute challenge. Learn 10 useful words quickly and see how many you can remember. Word 1, astonished. Meaning, very surprised. Example, I was astonished by the news. Word 2, cautious. Meaning, careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Example, she is cautious when crossing the street. Word 3, devour. Meaning, eat quickly and eagerly. Example, he devoured the pizza in minutes. Word 4, elated. Meaning, very happy or excited. Example, she was elated to hear the good news. Word 5, frantic. Meaning, very worried or hurried. Example, he was frantic when he lost his wallet. Word 6, genuine. Meaning, real or sincere. Example, she showed genuine interest in my story. Word 7, hasty. Meaning, done quickly without careful thought. Example, don't make hasty decisions. Word 8, insightful. Meaning, showing deep understanding. Example, the article was very insightful. Word 9, jovial. Meaning, cheerful and friendly. Example, he has a jovial personality. Word 10, keen. Meaning, eager or enthusiastic. Example, she is keen to learn English. Conclusion. Challenge yourself to learn these words in 5 minutes. Try using them in sentences today to remember them better. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.